Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack on ZTE Android TV Box. First, I'll show you a method with accessibility shortcut, but if it doesn't work for you, you may need to go to settings. Let's use the first method with the shortcut first. You'll need to click on down button on your remote and back button and hold them down for 3 seconds. Now TalkBack is on. Of course,
Android TV home.
Okay, let's wait a moment. If you're turning it on for the first time, there will be a pop-up on the window that will make you enable the accessibility shortcut, and to do it, you'll need to go to the left, click on OK, then use the accessibility shortcut again to turn TalkBack on. And you can turn TalkBack off in the same way by pressing down button and back button for 3 seconds. Now, when you click on anything on the remote, it will read out loud what is selected currently.
Favorite apps. Netflix. Prime Video.
Just like that.
Press select to activate.
I'll disable that by pressing down button and back button for 3 seconds. Now TalkBack is off. Then click on I'm gonna click on settings on the remote to actually change it in the device preferences. So you can go here, then go down to accessibility settings, and now you can find TalkBack. You can enable it manually. You can go to configuration and change speech volume, verbosity, sound, and all the other stuff. You can also go to accessibility shortcut, and if your accessibility shortcut is enabled but isn't set to TalkBack, you can set it to TalkBack, so you can easily enable or disable TalkBack by pressing and holding on down button and back button on your remote. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.